Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new here, Miranda, a professional dancer and nutrition coach, and today I'm going to be making this beautiful apple cake. So apples are a source of vitamin C, which is great for the skin. Its main mineral is potassium, which promotes heart health. And it's also a great source of fiber, which that means that our gut is gonna be in a good place. So enough with the nutrition talk and let's get to it. As I mentioned, this cake is super decadent and delicious, and if you're a sweet tooth, this one's for you. Welcome to the garden. Let's do it. So we're gonna start by peeling and cutting 6 apples into bite sizes. And we move to the kitchen. We're gonna start by greasing a pan with vegetable oil and then adding some flour for it not to stick. We're gonna start beating 4 eggs and a cup of sugar until the texture has thickened. To our sugar and egg mixture, add a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, with a wooden spoon, mix the dough until well incorporated. If it's a little bit too liquid, you can add an extra half cup of flour. Once our dough is nicely incorporated, add a couple of teaspoons of cinnamon into our apples. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add it all into our dough. With a spatula, gently mix all of the ingredients. Until it's one big lump of apples and dough. Transfer the mixture into our prepared baking pan. Tap it into the table a couple times to release any oxygen bubbles. And add it into a 180 Celsius and 350 preheated oven for around an hour. After an hour, take it out and make sure it's golden on the top and cooked in the inside. And that's it. It's an easy recipe that is such a great way to kick off autumn the right way. Hi friends, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the other videos I have on my channel. There's some good stuff. See ya!